Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'm going to be doing the tafsir of Surah Yusuf from ayat number 79 to 81. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ayat number 79 is قال معاذ الله أن نأخذ إلا من وجدنا متاعنا عنده إنا إذا لظالمون. Yusuf said, Allah forbid that we should seize any except him with whom we found our good. Were we to do so, we would surely be one of the wrongdoers. So, when Yusuf's brothers requested him to keep any one of them with him and let Binyamin go with them, he said that he will only keep the one in whose bag the cup was found. So, as we heard in the previous ayahs, that the cup was found in Binyamin's bag. So, this is about all that. And the next ayah is ayah number 80. فَلَمَّا اسْتَيْأَسُوا منه خلصوا نجيا قال كبيرهم ألم تعلموا أن أباكم قد أخذ عليكم موثقا من الله ومن قبل ما فرطتم في يوسف فلن أبرح الأرض حتى يأذن لي أبي أو يحكم الله لي وهو خير الحاكمين. Then, when they had despaired of Yusuf, they went to a corner and counseled together. The eldest said, Do you not know that your father has taken a promise from you in the name of Allah that you failed your duty towards Yusuf? So I will not depart from this land, meaning Egypt, until my father permits me or Allah pronounces his judgment in my favor. He is the best of those who judge. So after Yusuf told his brothers that he would not let Binyamin go with them, the brothers gathered and discussed that what should be done now. So the eldest of them said that we have already done bad with Yusuf in the past and broken the trust of our father, meaning Yaqub alayhi salam. He refused to leave Egypt until Allah decided something for him. Next ayah, which is ayah number 81. Irji'u ila abikum faqulu ya abana inna ibnaka sarak. وَمَا شَهِدْنَا إِلَّا بِمَا عَلِمْنَا وَمَا كُنَّا لِلْغَيْبِ حَافِظِينَ. So go back to your father and tell him, Father, your son has certainly been guilty of stealing. We did not see him stealing, but testify according to what we know. And obviously, we have no power to keep watch over that what is altogether hidden from us. So the elder brother told his brothers to go back to their father and tell him that Binyamin stole, so the king kept him with him as a punishment. He told his brothers to tell their father that they did not see him stealing and they could not have known if he actually stole or not. So these were the ayahs for today. Inshallah, I'll continue further in my next video. Till then, fi aman Allah.